Perfumes. Welcome to Ingrid's Insights, and this week we are talking about bottles of perfume. How many have you got in your house? How many are cluttering up your cupboards? If you've got no idea, go and get them all out, gather them together and start to have a look at them. Because it's really actually one of these really random things that really can fill up your cupboards without you even realizing it. And realize when you're looking at your perfumes, which are the ones you wear all the time because you actually really like the smell. They're your favorite one. In my case, it's this one. I love this. This is my favorite perfume and I wear it all the time. And I've got one bottle on the go. I might have one other one for another occasion, but this is my go-to perfume. And when this is nearly empty, I buy a new one for next use. But if you've got 10, 20, maybe 30 bottles of perfume, then look at those and think to yourself, which are the ones that I actually like wearing? And why are the rest of the bottles still there? Maybe they were a gift from another person and they hadn't realized that you maybe don't like that smell, or maybe you've realized that your taste has changed over the years and you used to really like a perfume, but now you no longer do because your smell and everything changes over the years. Of course, you can't keep bottles of perfume forever. They do go off, and when they start to smell a little bit funny, then it's time to let them go. Now, if you've got half-used bottles that have been in your cupboard for ages, just recycle them and let them go. If you've got bottles of perfume that you realize you don't like the smell of, but they were a gift, but you don't like them, see if you can maybe donate them to somebody else, or a friend or a colleague or a neighbor. Or if you think, okay, I don't want to do that, maybe you can put them on FreeCycle or on Olio, or give them to the charity shop or the op shop or the thrift shop. Just keeping it in your cupboard is not going to help you, because you would want to have the space and not the clutter. And if you leave it there, that bottle of perfume will go off and then nobody can use it anymore. So I hope my little video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching Ingrid's Insights, and see you next time.